A 5-day human and institutional capacity development workshop is currently taking place in Honiara, aimed at strengthening agribusiness incubation and innovation systems in the Solomon Islands. Hosted by the Agri-Business Incubation Centre in partnership with the Ministries of Agriculture and Commerce, the workshop focuses on building skills and institutional capacity to support local agri-preneurs, particularly women, youth, and rural entrepreneurs. Participants are learning practical, market-oriented skills, operational management of agribusiness incubators, and tools for managing seed funds and supporting innovation. The initiative, supported by the United Nations, FAO, AgHub Foundation, and the European Union, aims to strengthen coordination between the government, the private sector, and development partners, while promoting sustainable food systems, rural employment, and the private sector growth. The workshop is part of broader efforts to promote agriculture as a key driver of economic development in the Solomon Islands. The 5-day workshop will conclude with the co-creation of operational manuals to guide future agribusiness incubation across the country.